Welcome to JH. Nerdwax is an online store peddling everything from cleaning cloths and anti-slip sticks to beauty products. It is basically a digital junk drawer, but the big question remains. Is it actually legit or just another internet trap waiting for your credit card? Let's break it down together. First, the good stuff. They are quite active on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, which is a great sign because we all know scammers usually hate the spotlight. Because nothing says trustworthy like a brand that spends its day fighting for your attention in an endless feed of memes. Even better, they actually provide both an email and a phone number for customer support. It is a revolutionary concept in an age where most companies hide behind a broken chatbot that only speaks in riddles. Plus, they have been around for over 10 years. In internet years, that is basically ancient, they have officially outlasted most celebrity marriages and several social media platforms. Now, let's talk about what the people are actually saying, and things get a little spicy. Reviews for Nerdwax are a bit of a mixed bag. Some shoppers are throwing shade because the product designs look like they were churned out by an AI having a fever dream. Apparently, some people still prefer human-made art. How old school of them. But on the flip side, plenty of users have nothing but praise for the brand. Their eyeglass cleaning cloths are a fan favorite, with many claiming they work better than the ones your eye doctor gives you for free. That is not exactly a high bar to clear, but we will take it. People even buy them as gifts because the designs are unique, which is often polite code for weird enough to be a conversation starter. The customer service department also gets a gold star for actually fixing mistakes quickly instead of vanishing into the digital void. There are plenty of stories about them making things right, ensuring customers walk away happy rather than venting on a forum. So, what is the final verdict? Overall, Nerdwax looks like a reliable and well-established brand. Sure, the AI-generated art might make your eyes twitch if you are a purist, but a decade of history and great service are hard to argue with. If you are looking to keep your glasses from sliding off your face, you will probably be in good hands here. Thanks for sticking around until the end.